Hi, this is Helena Elof and welcome to my YouTube channel if you haven't been here before. If you want to know everything that a South African should know about social media law and media law in South Africa, click subscribe so you don't miss anything and you're clear to be on the good side of the law. Okay, so today we're discussing the December 4, 2019 Constitutional Court hearing on identifying minors in criminal court cases. As you know, the Constitutional Court is the highest court in the land. So if the Constitutional Court says a piece of legislation is unconstitutional, they usually give Parliament 24 months to fix it, and they also give us an interim or temporary measure so that we know what to do, we know how to deal with identifying minors in criminal cases. Now, you'll remember the case of Zephany Nurse. It was quite a few years ago, I think it was in the late 90s, that she was abducted from hospital and she was then raised by the person who abducted her, and in other words, separated from her birth mother. At the time when this came out in the news, the media was not allowed to identify her and Zephany Nurse became her pseudonym. One of the reasons for this lies in the Criminal Procedure Act, Section 154, subsection 3, which offers protection to child accused in criminal cases as well as child witnesses, but somehow it did not protect the victims. There are three things that you must remember about the Constitutional Court's ruling. The first is that you cannot identify a minor crime victim if you are reporting on a court case. The second thing is that you cannot identify a minor witness in criminal proceedings. And thirdly, you cannot identify a child accused. Now, in addition to that, the Constitutional Court also said that this protection does not only last until they reach the age of 18, but it lasts perpetually. If that person turns 18 and gives you consent to identify them, then very well you may, but otherwise it is prohibited. As I said before, Parliament will be fixing the legislation on a permanent basis within the next 24 months. And if you want to know more about that, subscribe to this channel because I will keep you posted.